How to save Instagram Reels in gallery. Now let's say you scroll right here and you found a reel that you really want to save to your gallery. All you have to do is to tap on this airplane button right here and click on copy link. Now once you copy that, you just have to go to your Google Chrome or your browser and search for Instagram Video Downloader. Right here. Now you can pretty much tap on whatever downloader you find on the web. You can tap on this one. Now you just have to paste the URL of your Instagram reel right here. There. You just have to wait for that to load. You just have to scroll and tap on download video. And as you can see, it has been downloaded to your gallery. When you go to your gallery, you will be able to see that specific reel among your videos. So that's how to save Instagram Reels in gallery. Hope we help.